Right Honorable Raila Odinga has an unparalleled track record of leadership in promoting democratic principles, human rights, and good governance. These qualities make him the most ideal candidate for the position of chairperson of the AU Commission. In addition, Mr. Odinga is a bridge builder with an uncanny ability to unify and foster collaboration among member states. In addition, we believe that Mr. Odinga is eminently qualified for the job, having been the AU High Representative for Infrastructure Development. He has traversed the continent, interacted with our people, and understands their wants and their needs. We are aware that this is East Africa's turn to head the AU Commission, and we do pray that the East African community, the EAC, will support this bid of one of their most illustrious sons. We are confident that Mr. Odinga's candidature for the position of AU chairperson will garner overwhelming support from all corners of the continent. His broad appeal and international name recognition as a statesman committed to Africa's progress makes him the right and best candidate for the job. We call on all our compatriots to give bipartisan support and ensure that Mr. Odinga's bid is successful. Mr. Odinga's win will be a win for Kenya, the region, and indeed the continent.